This is Dr. Paul. We just wrapped up our personal injury attorney educational sales workshop. How'd it go?
It went awesome.
Okay. Scale 1 to 10?
Absolute 10.
What would you say the biggest wow factor was for you?
Well, I learned exactly how much my documentation was actually hurting the case and how much the attorneys don't actually know of what can help them.
That's quite a bit, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So we went into the difference between publicity, advertising, and educational sales. You now know why attorneys don't refer to you naturally, don't you?
I sure do.
And you know the exact steps of how to get them to refer, don't you?
Right.
In other words, we covered 10 very specific steps that get the attorneys to refer to you, don't you?
Right.
And what happens, now you learned, if you don't cover those 10 steps, an established need, and you don't cover the service factors, and you don't cover the myths, what happens to the referrals?
You don't get them.
You don't get them. Right. So what we do is we cover target market. We covered the target market, right?
Mm-hmm.
We covered how to establish need.
Mm-hmm.
That wasn't minor, was it?
No.
That was pretty detailed
yeah.
and significant.
Sure.
Okay. And actually, that was the most important part, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. By the way, had you ever done that before?
No.
And have you ever known about it?
No.
Yeah. And then from there, we eliminated the obstacles. We shared with you what you need to cover.
Right.
And then the service factors,
Mm-hmm.
okay? And then right from there, we showed you exactly, that's pretty much when the
How to
referrals
move the case
start.
forward,
Yeah, that's pretty much when the referrals start right there. If you do all those steps, that's exactly when the referrals start. Is that not pretty much right?
That makes sense.
And that's exactly what we covered the last 2 days, wasn't it?
Yeah, I was thrilled.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Yep.